In such shallow water, the gray baby should be able to catch it. Yes, Sarah too. It rained heavily a few days ago and I didn't take you out to catch fish. Today the sun finally came out. Today I will take you to this stream to catch fish. The water isn't that deep now. The water is not urgent. Catch your own fish. Don't run around. Pick up a stone for him. Throw it on top. Hurry up. Runs very fast. Where's the gray baby? Gray baby ran here along the water. There's no fish here. Maybe the fish are down there. Gray baby, come here. Let's catch some more fish. I'll throw a stone at you. 123, get ready. Go. Yellow croaker. Hey, I almost ran away. Did you run away? Yellow croaker is very active. Gray baby, come quickly. There should be more here. Come soon. Gray boy didn't catch fish well. Gray baby, don't eat it yet. You eat, you don't catch fish. Eat later. Gray baby, don't wait to eat. Ouch. Look at this yellow croaker, it's so fat. A big hole bitten by the gray baby. My mouth is not open anymore. Gray baby. Go catch some fish. You don't play here. I'll raise fish for you. Go catch it here. I have lost all my vitality. Don't move. Gray boy is catching big fish. The water level rose and the big fish escaped from the pond. This fish is a bit big. Didn't catch. Not caught. Where did the fish go? This isn't it. Ran down. No wonder gray baby went down there to chase the fish. Here. The fish will run down. Here. Gray baby. You should wait a while before eating this yellow croaker. I'll take you down to catch carp. Go fast. Don't panic. Good. Here. In the middle of the water. Yellow croaker. You can catch yellow croaker here. The water is rising and there are yellow croakers everywhere. Carp in this position. Still traveling. Gray baby bit it into this shape in just a few bites. Because its teeth are long. Wait a minute to feed him. This fish was bitten by it like this. The water is shallow here so the fish won't be able to escape. Here. Swim up there. Come on, gray baby. The fish is here. Such shallow water. You can't catch. Here. Fish is running. No way to escape. Come on, gray baby. What about fish? Here. If you don't catch me, I will. Here. He saw the fish. Gray baby fish is running away. Gray baby, come quickly. This side. Look at gray baby. You didn't even catch the fish. Gray baby, go. The fish is here. In such shallow water, the gray baby should be able to catch it. Caught. That's right, Sarah. I won't stop him from fishing. This fish ran away. Gray baby is still awesome. I caught 2 yellow croakers today. Gray baby can only catch yellow croaker. These fish just ran out of the fish pond after the flood. I haven't had time to run yet. Go in soon. Go in. Gray baby, let's go home.